This is how you connect ChatGPT to your n8n workflow, simple and easy. Follow and like, and let's get started. First, open your n8n workflow and add a new node. Search for OpenAI or ChatGPT, then select the message a model node. This is where the magic starts. Next, you need to connect your OpenAI credentials. Click Create New Credential. Now head over to openai.com/API and log into your account. Once you're inside, go to Settings, then API Keys and create a new secret key. Name it anything you want, choose your project, and copy the key. Go back to n8n and paste your API key into the credential field, then click Save. If you see a green success message, you're connected. Now let's test it. Keep the resource set to text, choose Message a Model, and select any ChatGPT model. Enter a simple prompt like, "Hello, how are you?" and click Execute Step. If you get a quota error, just go back to the OpenAI dashboard, add credits under billing, I'm going to add $10, and run the test again. Once you see the assistant reply, congratulations. Chat GPT is now connected to your n8n workflow and ready for automation. If the video helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe.